Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann, and today is a special unboxing. My best friend is on her way. We're going to be opening a best friend's box, but what she doesn't know is it is a best friend's birthday care box by Revlare. Hello everyone, and welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. We are having kind of a fun, different, special type of unboxing today because my best friend Ann is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Ann. We have been looking forward to a trip to Savannah, Georgia. We're leaving dark 30 tomorrow morning, and we're going to be gone for a few days, but we wanted to do an unboxing together the day before. She's driven down to visit me from Michigan, so we're going to do this. So in looking for a box for us to do together, I thought, well, this is my best friend and maybe we could do something special. So I went online and I searched for a best friend's box, and I actually found some, and I found one I really wanted to do on Etsy by a gal who puts together a best friend's birthday care box.
Oh.
So everything in this box is for Ann.
Oh.
I don't know what it is, and I hope you like it.
Oh gosh, I did not know that until now. That's so sweet.
And I actually said that on the introduction.
You weren't supposed to give me anything for my birthday.
Surprise! Okay, so this box is curated by the gal who runs the Etsy shop. It's called Revlare. I am going to leave a link down below, and I told her I was going to unbox this, and she gave me a birthday code, or a discount code. You can use it for your birthday if you want. It's thank you. I believe it's all caps, no spaces, but I'll have it listed down below for you along with the link to her shop, and that'll get you 10% off of a box if you want to do one of her boxes. She has many different types of boxes for someone that you love or maybe for yourself. So there is 3 different size boxes that she provides. There's the small that runs between $30 to $47. The medium that is $57 to $67. That is what this one is. And the large that goes between, I think I wrote a $77 over there, and $87. So depending on what you want to do, and I think this is probably something that's good for someone who you don't live close to. Like me personally, I'm a little short on imagination when it comes to things like this. She can attest. She's better at this than I am. So for me, it's just easier to get somebody who might be a little better at this. The box does not come with the bow. I added that.
Oh, okay.
I was going to wrap it, but all we had was Spider-Man paper.
Well,
I figured that would give me away right away.
yeah, that would have been a big deal. She knows I'm a big Spider-Man.
Actually, my son BJ loves Spider-Man. I'm sure it was left over. Yeah. So I did get very lucky and found this little bow. So I will say one thing I think that could be done a little bit nicer for the person who's unwrapping, unless we see something different inside, is maybe some kind of little bow or some stickers or something kind of cute. Also, this was so well wrapped. It looked a lot bigger when the package came. She had this so protected. Tons and tons and tons of bubble wrap, and I was really glad I got that off this morning.
Okay.
Because we would have been just unwinding bubble wrap for five minutes. It's very well packaged.
Okay.
This comes in from Denver, by the way. And it does take her some time to shop and then curate the items for you. So you want to order this, I would say, probably about a month ahead of time. So it takes her a little time. This was a little bit delayed because I think she was looking for something specific. You do give a description of your friend, their likes, their dislikes, what's important to them, that kind of thing. We'll see if I'm not going to say what I said. But. So I told her what this was for. So
no pressure.
No pressure. So Ann's going to give her genuine, this is yours. You get to unwrap this.
Okay. Awesome.
So you need to remind me to take things and show them to people.
Oh, okay.
I have a tendency to go, woohoo, and then just set it down.
I will do that.
So everything in here, gosh, I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. I'm so excited.
So this is, it's going to open up. Sorry, I got to coach you on how to open your birthday present. Do your best.
Well, that's weird. Oh, you know what? I bet it's upside down.
Oh,
yeah, it is.
We had it upside down. There we go. Much easier to open when it's right side up.
Ta-da!
Oh, so it does have some pretty sparkly paper. You probably can't see it, but there is a sparkly tissue paper in there.
That's
Okay.
nice. Okay.
It's party time.
Aw.
There's a little sticker here that says it's party time. It's party time. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Okay.
Okay. Well,
Go
first
for it.
item. Oh, it
What's
looks
the
like
first thing?
it looks like a journal.
Oh, I told her you journal.
Yeah, I do.
She
do
did.
journal.
It's a pretty journal.
Yeah, it's really pretty, and I like the feel of that.
Oh, it's got a suede feel.
Yeah.
So here we go. It's those pretty old, look like vintage-y looking roses and flowers.
Yeah,
That's
I
beautiful.
love it. That's very pretty.
What's it look? I'm curious.
Oh,
What's it look like inside?
It's lavender pages.
Ooh, that's
just
pretty.
striped,
Right.
lined paper.
Striped too.
I guess.
Technically, the lines make.
Okay, shower fizzies. Oh, cool.
Aromatherapy shower
I
fizzies.
love this kind of stuff.
I do too. I like to
Yeah.
take showers. rather
Yes,
than
I do
baths.
too. Yes, I do.
Well, I
Although if there is a nice big garden tub, I just like to relax in it.
Well,
And
in our old house, we had a big garden tub with jet ski. Never used it.
I know, but I felt funny it was in your bathroom.
Well, that is kind of weird.
Yeah.
Although your daughter-in-law did use it.
Well,
She was very happy.
I'm glad. I'm glad you felt comfortable to do that. But anyway, so yeah, that's cool. So this is
What's it smell?
eucalyptus and
spearmint.
spearmint.
Does that smell like a smell you would smell?
We're gonna
like
find
to smell?
out.
She's gonna smell it. You get to sniff that something.
That's right.
And I don't know that this box is definitely, a lot of times people say, well, is the value there because things are worth more than what they paid for. I don't think that's what this is. I think this is just a special curated box for
That
someone.
smells wonderful.
I love eucalyptus.
It smells
Ooh,
really good.
I would shower with that.
Yeah.
But I'm a eucalyptus lover.
Yeah, that's really nice. And there's more than one in there, so there's
that's
3
cool.
of them actually. So awesome.
Very cool.
Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Loofah,
Scrub.
which
Is that what that is?
well, I call it, I guess, a loofah or a scrubby. Yeah, which is funny because I didn't pack one for my trip, so I'm glad I needed this. So yeah,
Good
okay,
job,
good.
owner of Revlare.
Yay.
I never did get her name. I was signing my Nancy Ann, hoping that I could get a name. And I do think it's one individual putting these boxes together, though.
Ooh, some nice cozy socks.
Oh, they're little
Like-
footy things.
Like little footy slippers. They're very soft and cozy.
Let's see. Are they quality?
I don't
You
know.
know me. Oh, actually, they don't feel like the hospital ones that are great initially,
No,
and then they die after you
Right.
wash them once.
Initially, I was looking for the rubber dots. The slippers I'm wearing now have rubber dots on them.
You just told them we're wearing
But-
slippers.
well.
She said, what are you going to see when we unbox? And I said, from here up. She goes, good. I said, yep, I'm wearing fuzzy slippers. She said, so am I.
That's right. I just
Okay.
got done driving 5.5
Add this to
hours,
the-
so.
Yep, she did.
Okay.
She came ready to film.
Yes. After Nancy.
Oh, that's similarly wrapped to how the outside of the box was. Only there was more layers. I can assure you, your box will arrive safe and
I
sound.
guess. Oh, it looks like it might be a magnet.
Oh, I
Oh,
told
this
her.
home runs on love, laughter, and lots of strong coffee. How cute is that? That
That's
is
adorable.
so true.
I told her that Anne's family is. Can you see? Let me get that out of the glare. Is incredibly important to her.
Yes.
So that was one of the things I mentioned. That
Yes.
she's all about her
Yeah.
family.
Oh, okay. What's this? This is Dove Nourishing Body Care, Rich Nourishment Cream.
I-
So,
I don't know.
yeah.
Let me get that up a little
A little closer.
I'm trying to avoid the glare of my ring light, but trust me, that's what it says.
Yeah. Let's. Is it?
Can you?
Yeah, I am.
Oh.
Safety sealed.
This is one well packaged
I'll
box.
say. Oh, it's just
Oh, that's
nice.
Oh, that's a good travel.
Nice.
Nice clean scent.
Yeah. Nice.
That's a good travel size.
Yeah, it's perfect.
We're about to
Yes.
go on a trip.
I know.
Perfect.
A trip that's been in the works for over 2 years.
Yes.
And,
And has had
finally many deviations and
metamorphosis.
yeah.
It started out as a cruise.
Yeah, but that's okay. Oh, how cute! I love this mug.
That's cute. It's a
Oh.
small capacity.
Yes, it's like a terracotta color, and I like that different feel down here. It's more rough, like concrete or whatever.
And I told her you kind of like to lean in towards peachy colors a little bit. I thought that would be a pretty, and so she went more warm. I can see with the tone on this, but yeah.
Yeah, so
That's
nice mug.
it's just it's heavy.
Yeah, it's a nice
Yeah.
weight. Mhm.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, awesome. Ooh, coffee. Beautiful
Ooh.
home coffee for the pure and simple living.
Ooh.
Oh, it's
Oh,
empty.
you just stick your coffee
You
in
stick
there.
your coffee in there.
I don't know what you do with that. I guess it goes with the mug.
Yeah. Well, like,
What do you do with that? You can't really keep coffee in there. I mean, That would last
I'd
you.
have to refill it many times a week, probably. Yeah. Well, the way you make coffee once a day.
I make coffee soup.
Well, I fill up this much coffee and the rest would be cream. I'd be fine.
And with me, if the spoon can't stand up in the coffee, there's no point. I don't drink coffee really, but when I drink coffee, I want coffee.
Oh, you know, I could keep my little Truvia packets or something
be
in this
good.
on the counter. That would be really cute because I have kind of a country farm-ish type decor in my kitchen, so that would be
very
perfect.
cute. That actually is adorable.
Shabby chic. Oops.
I'm gonna scoot it here. So they can.
Oh,
there.
okay.
Oh, well, they can't see it there either. Okay.
Okay, now we have a plethora of. Is that? Oh,
That's fluff. That's
okay.
fluffy stuff.
Let's see. This is Skin Aesthetics. Advanced brightening under eye pads,
Oh.
vitamin C and collagen.
Oh, I like those things.
One pair of those.
Yeah, for a little bit of self-pampering.
Yes. Okay. This is a Camellia Anti-Aging Flower Lab Essence Mask.
You're gonna have to read anything else to me because I can't see it without
Yeah.
my glasses.
And
Is it a sheet mask?
I can't tell. Let's see.
I think it might be.
Smooth out the mask. Yeah, it is.
It's a sheet mask.
Yeah. And oh, goody. That'll be fun. Oh, we can both do one.
Oh, you're so generous. It's a gift that I bought you.
At least I can do it. This is Azure. I don't know how you say that for sure, but
Rose and collagen. You got to do that one. Collagen gives me little white spots all over my face.
And I love the scent of rose. I love it. It's one of my favorite scents.
One mask, moisturizing and toning, wrinkle reducing.
Whoa.
Oh,
Okay.
it's a miracle mask.
Yeah, no
right
kidding.
there.
And only one application is going to take away my wrinkles? Well, good to know.
I want more
That's
of
true.
those.
I know. I know. And yeah, that was so cool. A little pampering here.
That's kind of what I told her, that you needed pampering. You spend so much time taking care of other people.
Well,
She does. She spends a lot of time.
I'm happy to do it, but it does get to be a little
exhausting
sometimes. Yeah.
So this trip is going to be super good, I think, for both of us to
Yeah.
get a little breather.
Yeah.
So
Rejuvenation.
I think I paid, and this, by the way, shipping is included in the price. So I think if I'm not mistaken, I paid $56 for this. Although, do you think, if I was to have sent this to you and not done it, would you have liked that box?
Yes.
Okay, you're sure.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
You would have enjoyed it.
Oh, definitely.
And do you think kind of the value is there for both the presentation and the unpacking experience and what you get, the whole picture?
I will say this. That person is trying to make a living selling these.
Yes.
You know, so is there $56 worth of stuff in
No.
there? No.
But that's okay.
But, you know, between the shipping and the care they took to wrap it, and yeah, I would say definitely it's worth the value.
And I do think she special ordered something for this box. She was waiting on it. She apologized for it being late, although it got in plenty of time to do this video. I think my suspicion that it was that journal.
Oh, okay.
Because that journal is kind of so specific.
Right.
To what I said. So I really see where she tried very hard to tailor this to you based on what I told her. So I can see where that happened.
Yeah. Yeah, I love my coffee, so that's.
And I think I told her that too. And I can also see where a box like this would be good. Like if you knew an elderly person who is in a retirement home or something like that.
Mother's Day would be a great gift for Mother's Day.
Especially if you don't live near your mom. That's actually a very good idea.
Yeah.
So she does different types of boxes, but I can see where this could really feel special to someone who's a shut-in, or like you said, Mother's Day, or if you don't live close to them or something like this. I think that would be a good.
Does she do men's boxes too, or no?
I don't know. I don't remember seeing that, but that doesn't mean there isn't one there. Yeah.
Yeah, because guys are so hard to shop for sometimes.
They really are. This is a true statement.
Yeah.
Most of them just go out and buy whatever they want right away.
That's true. That's true. Unless you're my husband who wants an iTunes gift card every holiday and birthday.
And my husband can come
Just
up
about.
with things, but they normally are like $400 things. So fortunately, his birthday is the beginning of January and Christmas. So he says, I want this thing for both of them. And I'm like, okay, shopping done. One item, we're
Right,
good right here.
right. Yeah, AJ wanted a video game for his computer, a jet flying, to fly jets.
Yeah.
He's got the stick and everything at his desk, so yeah, that's what
So
he wanted.
my husband flew the jets, and your husband
Fixed the jets.
fixed the jets.
Yes.
So we had a complete team.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Yeah, and I took care of the paperwork because I was also in.
And I told them if they could fly or not because I was in weather. We were all Air
Sorry.
Force. Yeah.
Shouldn't talk over you, sorry.
That's okay.
But anyway.
Talk over me all you want. I
Yeah.
don't get to see you very
We're going to
often.
have a whole week of that coming up today.
We are.
So,
Well, this was fun.
Yeah.
I'm glad we got to do this. Now, again, I will leave down in the drop-down box a link to her Etsy site, and the thank you is the code to save 10% off your own Revlare box if you would like to just take a look at her inventory, see what she has. Thank you so very much for taking the time to watch. I always appreciate it. Wow, I'm making a lot of noise. I always appreciate it when people take the time to watch my videos. If you get a split second and want to hit that like button for me, I would love that. If you haven't subscribed and you would like to, you enjoy unboxings, mostly fashion, but I do throw some other little things in there too. I'd be honored if you would subscribe and leave a comment down below. We have so much fun looking at the comments, and she'll be with me when this video comes up on Saturday, and we can read the comments together. Alrighty,
thank you, my friend.
Alrighty. Whoa, I love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And be blessed. Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann. Well, today's going to be a special unboxing, and I'm unsighted. I'm unsighted. I haven't been sighted yet today. I've stayed in all day. No sightings of Nancy. That's going to be the blooper, isn't it? Okay.